Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I'm Harry from ACMT. Nice to see you. Today we will talk about the Market Leader 3. Recently, Making Indonesia 4.0 was announced by the Indonesia President Joko Widodo. And today we will talk about the Making Indonesia 4.0, the synergy from Indonesia National Strategy and the local manufacturer. We invite Mr. Bidin Yusuf, the Operational Director of PT Sat Nusapersada TBK, a high technology electronic manufacturer from Indonesia. How are you, Mr. Bidin Yusuf?
I'm okay. I'm fine here. Glad to meet all of you.
As you know, the Indonesia President Jokowi already mentioned about this Making Indonesia 4.0. We would like to ask your opinion about this Making Indonesia 4.0 from the manufacturer's point of view. How does your company take part in this roadmap?
Well, I try to answer you. I think the Indonesia already started the campaign, starting on the year 2018. Sanusa, the first part of the assessment 4.0 is October 2021. On that time, our score is very low. We were able to get 2.45 on this score. We are not qualified on last year. I am very disappointed on that. From that assessment, we learned a lot of new knowledge. And we know we have the big gap to be filled in order to move forward to implement 4.0. On that time, I tried to start the implementation or implement our ERP system to connect the system combined with our MES, our own system we developed by our internal IT. We make a lot of change the system to use to operate to manufacturing in our site. We also develop robotic arm or small robot kit to improve our line efficiency and productivity and our production line. We also to engage the third party of the consultant come to our site to evaluate our cyber security to know where we are now. Our top management have put a strong direction to manage, a strong direction and message for all the employees to strive, go for digitalization. And also we start the new department we call Digital Operating Transformation Department. We want to make our company goal on this year. But we are luckily this year, the industry members send the team to audit us again. But this time, our score from 2.45, we can increase to 3.42. So this time, very happy. We already qualify for 4.0. We get the certificate. On next week, I will fly to Jakarta on this Sunday. On the 6th of December, I can get the certificate already from the MOI. So we are following this trend, 4.0 trend.
That's a wonderful improvement. I think from 2.0 point something become 3 point something. I believe this technology will improve the operational production your company. We know developing the Industry 4.0 is not easy, as you mentioned before. So, any barriers of Industry 4.0 adoption in the manufacturing supply chain?
I think we have a lot of barriers when our company is located in Indonesia, also in Batam. The main barrier is Sanusa is following is the difficult to get the skilled power and the expertise on the 4.0 related field. It's very difficult to get manpower. High investment in order to implement the 4.0 strategy. We have to invest a lot of money. We have to change our system. We try to get the SAP, ERP. We spend a lot of money on this one. Also, the limited domestic supply of all the component and chip and part. So everything we have to import. I think that we need more incentive from government because we need high investment to implement 4.0 because everything expensive. Our product cost will some increase. So I think I many times talk to government. You need to give us some incentive. I think for company not afford to follow this 4.0 trend. For my side, I think okay, we still can able to manage by ourselves. But for a small company, I think it's very, very difficult to implement the 4.0 system. This is the barrier, I think.
Yeah, thank you. I think this is for every company. Maybe they can learn from you. We know currently more and more industry in the country are preparing strategy to enter the industry era 4.0. Any advice to speed up this process?
I think we need to get some maybe workshop or training. I think the government must arrange for the workshop and training for the industry so can learn a lot. To set up the dedicated training company or employee to level up their knowledge. Or Indonesia university able to provide some course, I think, to the company, the employee can learn what is 4.0. This is my advice to government also. After I understand the 4.0, I think it's a very benefit, I think. The 4.0, the keyword is to connect, to optimize, and to minimize. I think the keyword is very good, the 4.0, you understand the concept. You get the 4.0 system, you can connect everything. You connect the supplier, connect your system, connect your production, until you can connect it to your customers. You can optimize your efficiency, your output, everything is combined. And then you can minimize. Minimize what? Minimize your loss. Minimize your hidden cost. You can measure everything. This is my point. After I know what is 4.0. 4.0 system is very good. So everything is have the transparency. We can see easily. Everything is in time, in real time information. This is my advice for the company who haven't started the 4.0 system yet.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Bidin Yusuf, for your opinion and advice about the industry 4.0 from the manufacturer point of view. I think many industry in Indonesia can learn from you because you are the experienced one. And I hope we can see you in Chinaplas this year, April. Thank you. See you.
Okay, you are welcome.